What's the meaning of bowler? Bowler. Bowler.
Bowler. Bowler. Bowler has two main meanings. The first is a type of hat that is round and usually made of felt, with a narrow brim and a domed top. This type of hat was popular in the 19th and early 20th centuries, especially in Britain. The second meaning of bowler is a player in the sport of cricket who delivers the ball to the batsman. The bowler is responsible for trying to get the batsman out by hitting the wickets behind him with the ball. In both cases, the term bowler refers to a specific object or role within a particular context.